There's some different options for home water filtration systems. Let's talk about them. My name is Zach with Western Heating, Air, and Plumbing, and our first option is whole house water filtration. In this option, it'll remove the chlorine from the water, it'll change the odor and the taste. If this is a concern for you, this may be a right option. Our next option is water softeners. Water softeners remove calcium and other hard minerals from the water. Removing the calcium and the hard water minerals from the water will help your appliances like your dishwasher and your water heater, as well as your fixtures and faucets to last longer. This means you'll use less soap, less laundry detergent, and this will keep your skin healthier. If water filtration is something that interests you, Western's here to help. Here at Western Heating, Air, and Plumbing, we want your plumbing to run as efficiently as possible, and we're here to help. If you have questions, reach out today.